Hello friends, welcome to our channel Most Creative Rudra. Today we are discussing the most important topic, that is SRS in Software Engineering. Let's begin. First of all, we see what is the full form of SRS. The full form of SRS is Software Requirement Specification. Software documentation is also known as the Software Requirement Specification, which lists out all the requirements stated by the user in a consistent manner. And great SRS leads to the great product. We have to keep in mind that the goal is to create great product and great software. A great product can be created only from a great specifications. SRS originated at the feet of the stakeholder like customer, manager or end users who demand the requirements. They specify the desired function, quality, attributes and other properties of the proposed software that is to be built or assembled. SRS involve analyzing and accurately representing the client requirement in a manner that can be effectively implemented in the system that will be conformed to the client specification. But in many situations, enough care is not taken in stabilizing correct requirement. This causes problem later in the development life cycle, and more time and money is spent in fixing these problems. Thus, it is necessary that requirements are stabilized in a systematic way to ensure their accuracy and completeness. And requirement requires people with both communication and technical skills. SRS helps software engineers to better understand the problem they will work to solve. It encompasses a set of tasks that lead to understand that what impact the software will have on the business, what the customer wants, and how end user will interact with the software. Thus, the involvement of both software engineer and end user is needed in preparing the SRS document. Then we can see the needs of SRS. The needs of SRS is specification is concerned with the documenting the requirements, and this document is maintained over the life of the project. This is the most fundamental condition for successful implementation of project. Specification is not limited to just text document. It can include graphical notation, mathematical specification, user scenarios or prototypes. Specification include a set of use cases that describe how the user interacts with the software. Use cases are also known as the functional requirement. In addition to use cases, the specification also include non-functional requirements such as the performance requirement and quality standard. Specification is the complete description of behavior of the system to be developed. It is the final work product produced by the requirements engineer, which serve as a foundation for the subsequent software engineering activities. Then issues addressed in SRS. Then what are the issues addressed in SRS is: first is functionality, second is external interface, third one is performance, fourth one is quality attribute, and fifth constant. Then we see that benefits of the SRS. What is the benefit of SRS? Software Requirement Specification forms the basic for agreement between the customer and development organization on what the software product is expected to do. Complete description of the functions that are expected from the software are specified in the SRS. This will help the end user to verify whether the software meets the specified need or not. If not, then how the software must be manipulated so as to meet their requirement. The second one is SRS reduce the development effort. The work of the preparing SRS forces various stakeholders. And third one is SRS form a base for the cost estimation and project scheduling. And fourth one is SRS provides a baseline for verification and validation. Fifth one is SRS facilitates transfer for new software to new environment. SRS serve as the basic for the software improvement. And thank you for the notes are given in the description box. Please check out this.